guys, my name is Krisha Uy and I'm here to teach you
quick tips how to do your makeup in the office.
primer. The result, it optimized color and finish, and it has a longer staying power.
Step 2, foundation.
So you can use your hands, a foundation brush, or disposable sponge or any sponge that you have as long as it's clean. Paano magkilay? Start here. Mag-iwan ka dito para mukhang natural. Don't forget to blend it. You can use eyebrow pencil, liquid, eyebrow cream. Like right now, I'm using eyebrow cream. If your hair is black or dark brown, you can use dark brown color. And then if your hair is brown or light brown, you can use light brown colors. Wag na wag kayong magamit ng color black. Kasi ang black na pang eyebrow makes your face matapang.
Ayan, mukhang natural lang.
So before putting eyeshadow, maglagay ka ng face powder sa eyes mo. Kasi when you put your eyeshadow, it's easier for you to blend. First, highlight. Guys, never use satin or shimmer eyeshadow because you're not going to a party. Okay? We'll use brown. Yan. And then i-shape mo.
Again, only use matte eyeshadow.
Yan, blend mo lang. Ulit-ulit. Then, after, you can curl your lashes na.
Nakakawala ng lungkot ng mata kapag nagka-curl ka ng lashes.
Merong 3 types of eyeliner. Eye pencil, liquid eyeliner, and cream. For me, I use a cream product, black. And then, I use a angle brush. May dalawang eyeliner na acceptable sa office. First is the straight eyeliner. I'll show you.
Don't forget to use waterproof eyeliner para hindi ka magmukhang raccoon. Yan, manipis lang ang gagawin.
The second one, manipis pakapal.
Yan, kinapalan ko lang yung dulo.
It's optional to put eyeliner sa baba. If you're gonna put eyeliner sa baba, you make sure na manipis. Then afterwards, you can put mascara na. You should make sure that your mascara is also waterproof. Yan, guys. Pwede ka nang umalis ng bahay. Kunwari, nagta-travel na ako ngayon. Talagay na ako ng concealer. But you don't need to bring the foundation, the primer, the pangkilay, the eyeshadow, the eyeliner, the mascara anymore. For sure naman na hindi na mawawala yan. Kasi naglagay ka ng primer. Okay? So, ang baon mo ngayon, starting now, you can conceal your veins, eye bags, pimple, dark spot, and you can use your hand, sponge, a concealer brush. After putting concealer, while traveling, imagine I'm traveling, gonna put powder na. Now, the next step is, this is optional. So, nila mas maliit yung face nila, meron ding gustong tumangos, pwede. Gusto nilang taguin yung double chin nila or malaking nilang forehead. Yan. Meron akong blush dito. You can use any color you want. Basta yung bagay sa skin color mo. Make sure na blend mo and wag masyadong makapal kasi baka mukhang clown. I'm putting now lip balm. So before putting lipstick, you have to put lip pencil para hindi ka mag-retouch always. It helps. After putting lip pencil, you can now put your lipstick. So you can use cream or matte lipstick. Huwag kayo mag-wear ng lipstick na may glitter, may shimmer. And yung lipstick na kulay na pipiliin nyo, yung nagmumukha kayong fresh. Meron kasi mga lipstick na like purple, dark violet, or dark brown. Doesn't look good sa office. Here's a recap. So, ito yung gagawin mo sa house. Then, ito yung sa travel or pwede mong gawin sa office. At least, na-lesson na yung dinala nyo sa work. For more tips, please subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. And here's my Facebook page and my Instagram. Thank you, guys!